Greetings from Platja de Cala Millor, once again from my vacation in Mallorca. However, this time a bit too cloudy in this afternoon. It was mostly cloudy day today, despite having some sun earlier in the day, and then it was raining as well for 1 hour. But now the forecast said there will be some sun, but fortunately I cannot see it. It is almost 7 p.m. and the sunset is going to be actually at 20:23, so at 8:23 p.m. So that means that there is 1 hour and 20 minutes approximately left until the sunset. We have 20 degrees Celsius right now, but it feels a bit colder because there is no sun. And yes, I'm once again at Cala Millor. I have walked from Sunwing, Calabona, to get here. So the beginning of the beach is around 2.6 kilometers. Until where I am here now, it's 3.2. I was walking along the beach, and I am now approximately at the middle of the beach, and I think there is around 600 to 800 meters left of the sandy part of the beach. After that, the coast continues with some rock. Cala Millor is located on the east coast, 1.5 hour ride from Palma de Mallorca, the capital city of the island, and is one of the best beaches on the east coast, where you have super fine sand, super nice entrance into the water, and super clean sea, which is a bit rare for this part of Mallorca, as I have been to various beaches around, and this is the best one. We'll be exploring a bit more if I can find an even better beach than this one. And yeah, 22nd of April 2025, it's gonna be 7 p.m. in few seconds exactly, and it's time for another swim today in the sea, the third one. So I have been measuring today on the other side of Calabona. It was 20 degrees in the sea, but let's measure once again, because I have been seeing that the satellite measurement in Palma, it is 16.4, which I thought it was a bit cold. So I want to make sure that I have measured correctly in 3 different spots, which would mean that my measurement is correct. As I measure, I'm showing you around the coast here, the beach. Yes, 20 degrees, so my thermometer doesn't lie. 20 degrees, which means that now the sea temperature is the same as the water temperature, and obviously warmer than Palma. So let's get going and have a nice and enjoyable swim or dip, because it's going to be a short one, as I plan to get back home to enjoy the sunset, if there is any, from my balcony that is facing west. I will stop by. There are 2 big supermarkets here nearby, Mercadona and Lidl. I will stop there to buy some groceries. There is even an Aldi where I was the other day, but I feel like Mercadona is the best one, and Lidl has also some interesting stuff. So yeah, that's about it. Let me show you more of the coast as I go inside a bit more for a nice dip today. I am all alone on this part of the beach. There is nobody, and I see nobody in the water at all right now, currently. I'm the only person taking a dip in the Mediterranean Sea. That feels a bit cold despite being 20 degrees Celsius, not gonna lie. So ready set, and go! So you can see the sandy bottom. It's so nice, where you can just step on pure sand. It's so wonderful feeling indeed. Despite being cloudy, it still looks so nice and so scenic. And that means that day 4 is coming to an end, and yet another episode from Cala Millor, and I realized that I should visit new beaches to show on my channel. So probably in the upcoming days I will be traveling a bit around the island, or maybe I will be running to a remote beach on the north part of the east coast here, as there might be one nudist beach over there that I would like to show you on my channel how it looks like. So yeah, I guess that's about it. It's time to head back home, but first hit the supermarket before heading back to the hotel Sunwing Cala Millor, where I'm staying. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me today. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more exciting beach locations on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.